Hello, welcome back here. Unfortunately, I bumped the power button on my tablet, and so I have to do this as a part 2 here. But as you can see right here, that is where that tab goes, and it secures it. Around the sides, as you can see, the fasteners are tight and they're on the outside, but a little tab goes underneath the vehicle, and it's the reason why I was warning you that if you put that tab on the top, it tends to cause you to the paddle not to sit flush. As you can see, they're just snug. I did not really put heavy torque on them, and that's all you have to do. Now I'm going to go show you the inside of the vehicle real quick concerning the maintenance light. Let me get back to you. Welcome back. So I've put the panel back on. I'm going to show you about servicing the maintenance light. Now, one thing to keep in mind is the maintenance light has got nothing to do with changing the oil. It is just simply a tire rotation reminder, and it will remind you depending on how many miles you've driven or a time frame that you need to rotate the tires. I'm going to show you how to reset that light, because with me, after changing the oil, before changing the oil, I also rotated my tires, and I've did that beforehand before I changed the oil, so I'm going to reset it. So here you go. So we go to your multi-display. You go down here to, I believe, vehicle settings, and you hold the OK button, and then we go down right here, scheduled maintenance, and it says reset data. You said OK, yes, reset complete. Now your maintenance required light will not illuminate anymore, and it'll stay basically off for the next 5,000 miles or 6 months. It is a rotation reminder. With me, the kind of driving I do, I generally don't rotate my tires until every 8,000 miles. And so for me, it turns out I rotate my tires about the same time I change my oil. Some folks, yes, they say you can do a 10,000 mile oil change in this, and there's nothing wrong with doing 10,000 mile oil change. With me personally, I'm 8,000 miles, my tires need to be rotated, I'll just change the oil anyways and be done with this. So that is part 2, the end of my oil change video. I just want to let you know that between the oil and parts, I think the entire material setup for this vehicle, this oil change cost me about something around $40. Maybe even a little bit less than that. It might have been $35. I think it might have been $35 because the oil was a little cheaper. Dealership charges $109. So I've saved myself at least $60 for an oil change. Again, if you're not sure about how to do this oil change, this is just a guide. This doesn't tell you how to change oil, but it's giving you a guide to how to do a 2022 RAV4. If you're not sure about how to change the oil, please talk to somebody. Also, if you got any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section here, or you can speak to me in RAV4 forums. My call sign is Cheap Charlie. We can talk there too. Thanks for watching the video, and happy motoring.